To manually adjust your Galaxy Watch screen brightness from Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting, next tap display, and then slide the adjustment bar below brightness to the right to get a brighter watch screen, or slide it to the left to get a dimmer watch screen. Given to the function, you can adjust the screen brightness of your Galaxy Watch in some condition. As the example, while you are in bright outdoor condition, in low light or night use, or for battery saving. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.